Well, we meet again. Welcome back to my channel. It's Toya plus Curls. Today we have a realistic natural hair wash day routine. I'm going to be starting off with 2 braids that I've been having in all week. Took them out. It's kind of detangled, but very dry. We're going to detangle today with our pink brush. Not sure of the name. If you do, please comment the name below. And a wide tooth comb. We're going to have some clips and also a hair tie to help us today. If you're interested in seeing this routine, please stick around.
Bye.
Psst. Hey, me being a creep here, but let's get this wash day started. So here I am, obviously in the shower now. I am going to completely drench the hair, get the strands wet, get the entire head wet before we lather the shampoo. Fun fact, I had my last perm September 30th, 2012. So it's been quite a long time me being natural. I would say I am a pro at this now. I've been in the game for a little bit. And I just know what works for my hair. I know what it responds to. I know how to detangle. Even in my most challenging tangles, I've been able to surpass it. So it's about trial and error. Here I got some pretty good hang time. So I'm happy with my journey so far. I'm still jamming out. I think I'm still listening to Boozy Badass. Okay, now we're on to the fun part. Where hair is completely drenched. I'm going to use those hair ties to separate the hair a little bit. So just for manageability purposes, I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature's shampoo. This is okay. It does the job. It leaves my hair a little bit stripped, which is why I'm going to use the Aussie Moist Conditioner later. But I'm just going to lather that on my scalp and use the pads of my fingertips to rub my scalp and scrub it in there. Get it real clean. That's what I'm doing here. I begin with the parts separated right down the middle. It just works for me. Do what works for you. I think I separated into 4 quadrants later on, but if not, this is just my realistic what I did that day. Put a little bit more shampoo. I feel like I needed it a little bit more sudsy action in the back. It was lacking in the back a little bit. I'm just getting all in there. Look at the scalp drenched in shampoo, trying to get it really clean as I can. And while bringing that down to the tips of my hair. Here I brought out the Aussie Moist because I felt like my hair is a little too stripped, and to help with me with the detangling, I just added a little bit of this to the end and to the roots of my hair while the shampoo was still there. Yes, this really helped with the detangling process because it added a lot of slip to the hair. I'm going to be using my pink brush, which I do not know the name of, but I did find some similar ones on Amazon. If you just search pink detangling brush, this will pop up where it's the similar brushes. But this works really well. It's just literally gliding through my hair. I love it. Like butter, baby. Yes, look at those waves though. I love it. Waves on swim. So obviously I'm going to do this to all sections of my hair until I'm done. That's a little bit of the shedded hair from that section, not much at all. And now we're completely detangled on the left side. As you can see, the brush is gliding through my curls. I literally love this brush. Like, get into it, for real. Get into it. We got a little length check here. Inches. More inches to come. We having a little bit of trouble on this side, but we're going to be patient and detangle and separate like the other side, and we're going to be good. Just wait.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Get it, girl. Yes. Just a little hair inspiration, appreciation going on here. Slow motion. Watching the curls expand, then pop right back up.
Bring your badass on. I'm about to buy you a boat.
Okay, I'm at the shower now, and I only have 2 little packets of deep conditioner, so I'm gonna make these both work. I don't have a big thing. I went to the store today and completely forgot to re-up on my deep conditioner. So we're gonna use these. I'm gonna apply these to my hair and put a cap over it, or I have a plastic garbage bag. I'm gonna sit under the dryer that I have for like 15 to 30 minutes, and then we're gonna see how she's looking after. She's getting a little dried up. You see how it's shrinking up already? Like, shrinkage would not let me live. For nothing. But see you in a bit. Just kidding, I'm back. I figured you guys want to see me put the deep conditioner in, so I'm gonna have a little footage of me doing that. Just putting it in my hair. It's very detangled, so it's just gliding through the strands. And this is the olive oil, just replenishing. It's the orange one. It smells like sweet orange. It smells really good. And it's gonna, actually I'm gonna put a part down the middle so I can concentrate on getting all those strands moisturized. Pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna apply the deep conditioner, and then, like I said, we're gonna go under right here. Get into it. That one's for Mila. Get into it. Here's my little deep conditioning setup here. I got this from Amazon, very affordable. Here is the temperature and the timer. I'm probably gonna set it to just 20 minutes and call it a day. Now I can finally relax a little bit while under the dryer. I'm gonna take this time to just respond to some classmates in my class, but feel free to do whatever you want. Scroll, write down your grocery list, whatever you gotta do. And just, most importantly, just chill out a little bit, because the wash day can be a lot.
20 minutes later.
The products I'm going to be using today, Melanin Hair Care. This is a brand from Natural85. She's here on YouTube. She's an OG. She's been on YouTube for a long time. If you've never heard of her, I don't know why, especially if you're a natural, but these are the products. She has a cream, leave-in conditioner, and an oil, and they're all bomb. They work well for my hair. They have my hair be feeling very moisturized and for days, and they have great ingredients. So that's what we're gonna be using today. I'm gonna be doing the LCO method, liquid cream then oil, and then we're gonna be just braiding 2 braids and calling it a day. Yes. I promise we are on the home stretch. I'm gonna be starting out with my oil. I'm gonna oil my scalp so we can get that scalp health. This is a really lightweight oil, super moisturizing though. I'm just gonna massage that in. Make sure I completely got the whole head. And then I'm gonna section the back half off because it's just too much hair, to just help us out and just make it easier to detangle. Once again, it shouldn't be hard though. Of course, a little bit of more water because the hair dried out a little bit. And we're gonna go in with that excuse me, Melanin Hair Care, the leave-in conditioner. We're gonna be a little plenty generous. Apply that all over the strands and use as much as you need. See how my curls are already starting to form? I'm taking a little bit more and sectioning that part off to just evenly distribute all the strands, the product. And a little bit more, of course. You can never have too much. We're still in the same section, and we already did the liquid, and then now we're going to be adding the cream. And then after that, we're going to finish this section off with the oil. We're going to do that to all sections, obviously. My hair just feels very moisturized. And it's like the moisture is locking in because the hair is wet. But if you're still here, go ahead and give me a like and a comment. Also subscribe. Leave me a comment on when your wash day is, or if you already had your wash day and how was it. Let me know if you learned anything from this video, if you'd have the same wash day, if our hair is similar. I want to know. I'm doing a praying hands method, getting all that product in the strands. We did a little fast forwarding here, but obviously I did the same thing to the top portion as I did to the back side. I did the LCO method. I secured it in a ponytail, making sure those roots were as flat as possible. And now I am detangling the ends for the last time, just making sure they're completely detangled before I put the braid in there. This is a good protective style. It's a low manipulation style. There's no need to be doing your hair every day. So my hair is moisturized and it's going to be locked in, and then I'm going to have these braids and I'm going to be good for the rest of the week, or whenever I decide to, how long I decide to keep these. I put a little bit more product on the ends, and I'm going to begin my braid, detangle if necessary. Too easy. We're going to be left with moisturized, elongated hair. I'm going to be trying this on the opposite side. Obviously the same thing. Who said wash day had to be hard? No ma'am, not over here. We left with tangle-free, natural, moisturized locks. I'm good for the rest of the week. If you're interested in more videos, please subscribe below. Comment, leave me some comments. What you liked about this video, what you want to see more of. And check out my last natural hair video. You're going to love it. Toya and Curls out.